Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to sign up for Coinomi. If you want to get started with Coinomi, then the process is quite easy, so make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Go ahead and launch open Coinomi Wallet application from your app drawer. The first interface of Coinomi Wallet will look like this. Click on Create a New Wallet button to create a new wallet and sign up. Choose the level of protection you would like for your account by dragging the slider at the top. I'm gonna choose the most secure authentication, that is password plus biometric authentication. Now, once you are done, enter a password you would like to set for your wallet. Once setting up a strong password, retype it in the next field. Once you are done, tap on the next button at the bottom right. If you want to enable Face ID, tap on Allow and you will then be able to see this interface where you will need to add coins to your wallet. Select the coins you would like to add and tap on plus at the bottom right from the list of coins displayed on the screen. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Coinomi by tapping Accept at the bottom right. And if you want to receive notifications from Coinomi, tap on OK. If you don't want to receive any notifications, tap on Not Now. You can change the settings anytime you want later. Once you are done creating a wallet, the next crucial step is to back up your wallet. Tap on Tap to Start at the top right and follow through the prompts. Enter your wallet's password in order to reveal your recovery phrases. Once you are done, write down the recovery phrase on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe and secure place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone and never enter it in any online websites or services. Once you've backed up your phrases, you can then start using Coinomi. So that is how you can easily sign up for Coinomi. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.